We must say a big thanks to everyone who has watched, liked, shared, subscribed, and commented. If this is your first time watching From Poverty to Prosperity, please check out our previous episodes and let's meet on the road to financial freedom. Now that we are all earning money, which is a great feeling, congratulations on reaching this milestone. The journey ahead has obstacles, rough road, and potholes that we must conquer. Like bills to be taken care of, buying groceries for a house, and spending for other necessary items. While the expense pile higher and higher, people ask, how can we save? How can we keep money?
Is this even possible? We just get paid and the money done. We not even see where the money done. How can I keep money?
We can achieve this by living on less than we earn.
That is a hard pill to swallow. But it is true. As the wise Jamaican saying goes, if you want good, your nose have to run.
There are secrets to keeping money, which the wealthy people will call the journey to wealth. Take notes or watch the video again to ensure that the following steps become a way of life. Step 1. Pay yourself first. Before you think of all the expense that you have, put aside 10% of your total earning. This can be more, but not less. The other 90% covers living expense and other necessary expenses. Step 2. Control your expense. Our income and expense will differ in value, but the need to have more money to accomplish more things will be the same. What we call our necessary expense will always grow to equal our income if we allow it to happen. So draw the line. Make sure necessary means absolutely needed. Step 3. Multiply earnings. Over a period of time, the money you paid yourself constantly, yes, the 10%, this will indeed start to multiply and becoming a small fortune. Use a part of this money to start a small profitable business or invest in a side hustle. Seek advice from individuals with proven success in the area or from a representative at a financial institute. Step 4. Secure earnings. Never gamble your earnings. You risk losing all your money. Instead, research business ventures that are sure to make you more money. If you wish to lend the money at a reasonable interest rate, make sure the individual has means of paying it back. Step 5. Invest in owning your home. Have a conversation with a housing developer that will offer you reasonable payment plans so that in a short while you become a new home owner. Step 6. life insurance and investment plans. This step is most important in securing a treasure of wealth for your family's future. If you are unable to work due to a serious health issue, this will deem a worthy compensation for you to continue providing for your family, or in the case of death, this sum will shoulder unplanned expenses. Step 7. Invest in development. Improve yourself by constantly learning and keep updated with current opportunity to earn. Give back in any way possible. For example, try to create an education fund to invest in our future generations. They are the great minds of tomorrow. There is a greater value in wisdom. Because of this knowledge that we have acquired, we are better able to manage our income and expense. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified on our next episode. Thank you.